Hey there, today we're diving into a common problem that Windows 11 users might encounter. So let's talk about this pesky notification issue that keeps popping up. You know, the one where you try to turn it off, but the option is just not cooperating. Frustrating, right? Now let's get into the solution for this problem. The key lies in the Windows Push Notifications user service, specifically the Smart Opt-out feature. To tackle this, we can start by making a registry change to disable all notifications for notification suggestions. You can achieve this by tweaking the registry values as follows. Moving on with the solution, another approach involves allowing notifications to be disabled through the Settings app UI. By adjusting the registry settings accordingly and navigating to the Notifications section in the Settings app, you can locate the option to turn off notification suggestions. It's a bit of a roundabout method, but it leads to the same outcome as the previous step. Continuing with the solution, you also have the option to adjust the frequency at which Smart Opt-out runs. By modifying the interval timings in the registry, you can potentially make Smart Opt-out run so infrequently that it becomes practically non-existent. This involves setting the initial timer cooldown and periodic timer cooldown values to the maximum 64-bit unsigned long value, thereby extending the duration between checks to an astronomical figure. In summary, we've explored different strategies to address the nagging notification issue on Windows 11. From tweaking registry settings to navigating through the Settings app, there are multiple paths to achieving the desired outcome. So, give these solutions a try and bid farewell to those bothersome notifications. And remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any tech woes you'd like us to tackle next. Stay tech savvy, folks.